È grippato?
Hai detto che si grippava.
Era vecchio. I don't have a spare engine. At this time it will almost be impossible to find somebody that can fix my engine in time. My hopes are really, really low. Yesterday I left you with a broken engine. I was really in doubt if I was gonna be able to do this trophy, this race. But with a miracle, Giovanni managed to fix my engine overnight and put it on my go-kart, allowing me to race this weekend. I don't know how he did it. It's crazy, so I'm really, really happy. It's been a tough night because I've lost a friend of mine tonight, and so I decided to take the morning off and start working only now, which is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to do the last few changes on the setup. There's many people here. The paddock is full for the race. All the KGM team is here. We have the mini karts, we have the under 25 cars. Mine is there. Changes on the setup. Today I will bring you a video about the race. It will be on 3 different episodes. Today we will speak about this test day and we'll bring you qualifying, and then there will be a dedicated video to race 1 and then another video of the final. Now I'm gonna go back to work and I will update you later. Ciao guys. Okay guys, so after 4 hours of work on my chassis, I finally managed to change a few things and check that everything was okay on the go-kart. I quickly went on track for running in my engine, as you know, since yesterday I blew it up after the full rebuild. We had to run it in. I think the track is closing now, so I would like to do another few laps just to check if the kart is balanced and nothing is wrong with it. But otherwise, there will be time tomorrow morning before the qualifying session, the practice session. Of course, I'm not going to use a brand new tire in the practice session. I'm going to use my old tires just to keep my fresh tires for qualifying and the race. As I said, I'm going to race in the pro category, not in the top category. I think there will be a chance to be competitive for the first few positions. But it's gonna be tough because I saw really competitive guys out there today. Even if I'm just taking time from the outside of the track, it's gonna be difficult. But if I'm in shape, there will be a good chance to race against them and possibly to be in the first spots. So I guess I will see you tomorrow. Ciao. Welcome back guys, it's Sunday morning, we're here at the Moncalieri test track. I'm here also with
Good morning everyone.
Little Medi, Davide, Albertino from the 6060 Mini. All good?
Yes.
Yes.
Very nice bro.
Very nice. Thankfully I'm here with Michele this morning, I'm not alone. We managed to fix my go-kart in really no time, so we're ready to go on track. This is the view of the paddock. The people are setting up their tents and they're really competitive, they're ready to race. We'll go for a little walk on the track. Now there will be two sessions of free practice, and then we will start with qualifying at 12 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now, so there's plenty of time really. This is a great view of the track. Thankfully, my mechanic Michele remembered that we were told that on my chassis, which is a 32mm aluminous, they used to run very aggressive camber values, which is true because the only time that I really enjoyed my chassis was when there was a lot of camber. Yesterday I went down to I think 2mm per side, and the kart was really undrivable. It was really planted at the front. It was really hard to drive. So now we went back. I'm gonna try it now in free practice, and then we will see. So this is one of the first hairpins. It's a really good overtaking spot. Hopefully I will exploit it if I'm starting a bit from the back, and otherwise, if I'm starting at the front, I hope to close the door nicely at this point because a really good overtaking spot, as I said. So hopefully I will find the pace straight away during practice. I hope that I will find a good feeling with the kart, because otherwise I usually lose my mind if something is not right just before a race or before an important session. I hope that I like the kart. Now we will go back on track together in free practice, and then it will be qualifying time. Porca troia. Per chi me l'avesse chiesto questo come vivo la mia giornata di gara. Porca puttana. Sono un po' fragilino di stomaco quando sono nervoso. Oh.
Ma devo fare giri continuo o mollo?
Cerca di fare due mini sessioni.
Ok.
Ok? 5-6 giri, poi rallenti un giro e poi riprendi, ok?
Spero di non trovarmi gente quando inizio qua a spingere.
Creati te la distanza sempre.
Pista aperta per la Pro. Buon tutti cavalieri, Giovanni.
I can't believe it. Am I stupid? I forgot to do up my overalls and everything is coming out. Cables, my microphone, the recorder, everything. Okay, I wanted to tell you that the time that you see here, it's just an indication. In fact, the GPS of my Alfano closes the lap on the main straight. Whilst for the race, the transponder takes the time just under this traffic light here. Still, it's a good indication on how good a lap is. Okay, let's go a little bit wide on the last corner and then bang on the gas and go for the flying lap. The first two corners are okay, but not really perfect. Fuck, I ruined my lap. Okay, come on, let's try again. But I'm noticing that the kart is starting to sit down. The hotter the rear tire gets, the stickier the rear of the go-kart is. Until today I always drove with used tires and the balance of the go-kart was okay. But now with a brand new tire it's really grippy and I'm really struggling to get out of corners. But anyway, I still have one good lap on the brand new tires to try and make a decent lap time. Let's go. my god, so unlucky. I was on a good lap and I found this guy on my racing line. In addition, I even messed up the last corner. But believe it or not, this was my best lap so far. In fact, during the following laps, because of the rear that was getting really sticky and the engine power that was degrading because of the high temperature, but more importantly because I made way too many mistakes, I couldn't really put in a good lap. So I decided to go back to the pits and listen what Giovanni and my team had to tell me.
È troppo attaccato adesso. È attaccatissimo dietro adesso.
Fai un giro piano e spingi.
È attaccatissimo dietro.
Fai un giro piano e spingi, vai, tira.
Non riesco a girare.
Vai.
Okay, with a lower temperature and a fresher mind, this lap is going really well. Oh, come on, you're doing it on purpose then. I can't believe it. You are doing it on purpose. Okay, qualifying is gone. I can't believe how every time I am so bad in qualifying.
Mi si siede in ogni tornante.
L'acqua?
L'acqua va bene.
Va bene.
Mi si siede in ogni tornante.
Sei terzo, a un decimo da Nino.
Sì, ho capito, ma ha girato 4 decimi più lento di prima. Attacca tantissimo dietro.
2,3 hai fatto, 2,3 hai fatto.
Ma è troppo alto, non riesco a guidarlo. Posso andare molto più veloce.
Non è che sono andati.
Dobbiamo ma io ti dico che posso andare 4 decimi più veloce di così. Se mi smolli dietro. Arrivo al tornante, do il gas. È perché sono abituato alla LeConte.
Ma al tornante.
Comunque tu sbagli tanto lì.
Perché
Quella lì, la fai ferma.
Ecco, adesso guardate con queste gomme qua. Con la LeConte usata scivolava, qui non scivola, guarda.
il solito devi farlo più veloce?
Scusa, con la gomma vecchia andavo 2 decimi più veloce,
124 di velocità.
Oh, che cazzo ti devo dire? Non va. Il motore non c'è. In uscita di curva il motore non c'è. Chi è primo, Nino?
Cavaliere è andato forte, ha fatto la differenza sugli altri. Però te Nino siete lì un decimo.
That's it. Once again, stress, hurry, and perhaps not enough preparation did not allow me to achieve what I wanted in qualifying. The end result was not too bad though. The qualifying was dominated by a super Diego Cavalieri, who set his pace and gained the top spot with a 41.6 lap. Just behind him, Bonino, that even if he suffered brake problems all weekend long, managed to place himself just before me with a 42.1 second lap. I know I have the pace to fight him, and perhaps I also have the pace to catch Diego during the race and win my class. However, in order to do so, it will be super important to have a blasting start. In fact, Diego has a devastating pace. If he was to run away during the first lap, then it will be uncatchable. This time I really need a perfect first lap. I need to arrive at the start with a fresh mind, overtake Bonino straight away and place myself just behind Diego. It is super important to stay behind a fast driver if you can. In fact, it is the only way to try and keep his pace. If he was to run away, I don't think I will have the pace this weekend to catch him again. I only know one thing though. Yes, perhaps I did not prepare enough. Perhaps I have not been racing long enough. But today I really want to win. I want to win for the team. I want to win for Robbie. But more importantly, I want to win for myself. To at least give one big slap in the face to this year and to the bad luck that I had. From the accident to the illness. And why not? Also to all the difficulties that my project had been encountering, also because of this year's pandemic. Today I want to go on track, give it full gas and put everything behind me. to finish at the front and shut many people up. I want to prove to myself and to others that on top of having learned a little bit how to make YouTube videos, I also learned how to go a bit quicker on a go-kart.